Buyer showings were down slightly this past week with fewer homes going under contract. Annapolis has 346 homes for sale. 51 are coming soon, 289 are active, and 52 are temporarily off the market. It's Friday, September 25th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. 21401 has a total of 139 homes for sale. In the past week, 6 homes were listed as coming soon. 30 went active, 9 went under contract, 6 went pending, 6 are temporarily off the market, and 8 have settled since last Friday, with sellers getting 99.5% median of list price in 13 days. The highest price home to sell in the past week was also in this zip code for $1,725,000 in West Annapolis' Wardour community. 21403 has a total of 87 homes for sale. 6 recently were listed as coming soon, 12 newly active, 10 went under contract, 5 moved to pending, 5 were temporarily off the market, and 11 homes sold since last Friday between $185,000 and $656,000 with a median list to sales ratio of 100%, selling within 7 days. 21405 has 1 home for sale in Sherwood Forest for $1,350,000. Zip code 21409 has a total of 57 for sale. 12 will be coming soon. 10 went active, 4 went under contract, 4 are pending, and 4 homes closed since last Friday with a median sold to list price of 101% in 6 days. Have a question about your situation? Contact us at 443-776-0996 because we have answers you need to make intelligent decisions about the real estate market in Annapolis. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 25th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.